Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing Banana Cream Pie by Glas Vapor. Banana Cream Pie is a newly released dessert and fruit e-liquid from Glas Vapor. It is available in 60 ml bottles in 0, 3, and 6 mg of nicotine. Banana Cream Pie is a custard-filled flavor, packed with rich and flavorful caramelized banana, pie crust, and vanilla custard. The smell is top notes of custard and bananas. For the inhale, I get sugary banana with caramel notes on the exhale. A thick, creamy custard is present throughout. I really like this flavor. I became a fan of it as a nicotine salt e-liquid, but I vape a lot, so I have to mainly stick to lower nicotine blends. I was really happy when Glas Vapor decided to make it its own premium e-liquid. If you'd like to try out Banana Cream Pie for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.